Kiama Kirogam.
JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
Na tumesija. There came those times when you would have to either relocate na timaita maigi na twanari uhoro ucio, especially in our generation, why you are there on mathama.
No, especially those of us from rural areas.
Yes.
Guthama was
okay, rather more thiku.
Ati mwagithamire mugithiku.
Ati ni maragurire mugunda moro.
No, those were very rare cases.
You would hear very rare cases of ni maragire mugunda Embu. Yes. Kana guka wawa Embu ri ni aramenyureire ke
andu.
Na inywe mwarora ri mukona gatagati ka muthigiriri na Embu ri. Embu is more Arab.
You are better off in Embu than muthigiriri.
Yes. Mwakiuga ri uri we will take our chance. Yes. Mwa ikinya ari gukinyirwo guthama.
No aigua ati andu no aigua ndi marathamire. Marathi we umiriri.
And you know, it was a very emotional affair. Even for you. Tondu hakiri ciaku ciothe na meciria maku mothe
moe kou
moe kayahwe moe ji thatu ucoke igwete muriria guikara riu Elbagon City
kundu Elbagon City warufaga.
You know, there was the doubt. Yes. Utugukora ki andu ku mahana atia githomo ku kihana atia. You know, there were those doubts. So you would not go on a one-way ticket. Mwabago the delegation
yakugeria goikiaria kamuti.
Yes. So under those circumstances mutiakua indo ciothe
mwaba mugathie kidogo. Mwabe muthimo set foot. Muriage muri uguo muthome.
Na gwetekagio ni mwathamire piu mwamomora nyumba yanyu ya ndoro.
No, riu kumomora nyumba was the ultimate sign you have left,
you have gone.
Nyumba kamomoro.
Yes. Riu mwaba kuikwa haindo cianyu ciothe the quick necessity
mugathie nacio
icinge mukahithia either kwa neighbor or a relative
kana kwa andu wanyu.
And sometimes people would prefer a relative for reasons I am about to explain. When they would prefer a friend, not a relative. Look what the guy doko. Let me tell you mine now. It is ya abuse
amuigerire guko we house re.
Yes. Especially if their gut feeling would tell them that he we hate to kure, those people must have settled
and moved on.
Yes. Because ikire ko meri etada tu.
Yeah, matira chokera isi.
Mukaigora mabagi mao. Mukaba mukenywa maura la mao.
Na mutiekaga oguo na ihingura rimwe
ne gradual
mwaba mukorani atiriri muthoni tathi hare indo cia wamasi.
Yes.
Rwere ruru mwena ruguru ndiona icio tari ikombe mohete tarwa ka hena ikombe njega hau
tatumura
ndukahingure ciothe
andu tukihoya ikombe icio tucoka guthomero ta ciana ri
tahingura icio
hingura indo icio cia wasiriaka tarehe igire ikombe njega. Na unajua chofia ufanya nini?
Maliza
buyu la asali. Na Kikuyu sanifu nasema bia nina adarwa lake
na igutha
mwai gorogu. Yes.
It's the beginning of
within a few months you have assimilated their property
into your property.
Yes. Atirike muthoni amindi na skati ya thukuru ne turore nako. Rispaka okara thomagirako skulu ito
Are kirathi kiriko?
Are 4.
Agucio ni muiganaine.
Soko haria.
Tathi haria nguo-ini ciao
Uruguca.
Woneka hena uniform.
Ni heavy kati.
Iana cio igire.
Taharukia. Ikiri njega wa gukonuka tugikagure ngiri. Tukugure ngi
tucokia.
It's a lie.
A lie. Uongo.
We Diana.
Thiaga nayo.
Within a term or two, you are wearing full school uniform from the people you are
acquired.
Yes.
From
shipping here and corporate go down.
Egathathaurwo indo.
Yes. Magiathiere miaka 3 you would even now start plowing their land.
Shamelessly,
you would fell their trees. Never watch the mokito liwa okay.
Makara. Na rogiri ro moiri kona na thege ngio moiri ganayo.
Ngona matego coko kasi ni mwani deki.
Ni mwani de mawega.
By the time they came, makora Ngoni athe. Wakirado kinyamuka wiathiri. Mwaka. Ona mwana ucio no cimuigane ici.
Mwaka mugima andu kayona moro eno yagitwikire ki.
Aiko mwana ucio aumire agithiiri. Kira sarago toto. Isi magekira una ndigwete kugia mwana ongi kwao.
Kora ri ikombe cia othani ciao.
Yes.
They were assimilated into your.
And you know, when you open, you would now start becoming a kebs of sorts. Now, ona sukari. Tato tike na tufia we hau. Isi jai kuihuria bosagu.
Edibles ne cia mwaba ko diru na cio na ihenya.
You know, they would actually tell you, give us a few weeks. Then a week would become a month. Month would become a quarter would become a year. Mukawa when mutu osuru. Ni heho. Ka ni ugibi.
Uhana ugibi.
Agire.
Ona mutuku wedi no makirute guku.
Ai, tara zero buy. Wala kito zero buy ke?
Mweri uyu ungi
ni okimwo. Guko cio matie ni irarekia. Jali maina. Mokako uwe. Sometimes if you are liberal and family, that probably when namukiona wali na ododo, you would even not bother asking.
Ona inyi mwaikara ni mwamenyaga atiri.
Yes.
Andu acio tono andu aitu ni tumoi.
Yes.
Iria twamatigeire ri.
Yes.
By now ni twi ni meteithirie nacio.
Yes. Wabao to ngona gicicio kia new sitting room yao. Mukamenya ni mama fanishe ile nyumba.
Kana wakora ithe aikarire thuturu yanyu.
Yes. Shamelessly.
And he is the head of that family.
Yes. Mwatu kale mokura araku. Mwako mera mwarere manyu ni mohorirwo. Nuna giro kino getoa compulsory
acquisition. Ukiori ekandu amoragia tungithama.
Ekama kaimu kaigo ku andu itu mari tutaha. Riu twanie mwaikara tukiwa handu horiri urio ni muthuari. Naye maragikomera miarori. Tugikiwa tuohorei. We muohora ni uroneka.
Ndungirio ni muthuoge komerwo.
Kendo mokwa na gukutona cio cia mwatwa ire nguku ireraga.
Tusui tutu ri.
Ni twamanyaga nguku iriku.
Iri anyu.
Iri hana nganga ni mucunu mwega muno. Wethi mukoria muti wari haka wathire ku. Ni kwambete guthimwo bara ugithimwo uru. Ugicoka kurungwo ni twarengete ki
muti
to yari igere haha no ni gicoka muconjo uria wa Erikana.
They
would amalgamate your property into theirs slowly by
slowly.
Yes.
You are an unclaimed asset.
Yes.
Would turn into their asset.
Yes. Sometimes they would even adopt your children. They will get to kanako. Monina mi aketa adatu. Ai. Katuka kamusi yosio.
No actually mohego grace period ya mieri iyo. Itatu.
Yes.
Mieri itatu ya thira. Slowly by slowly.
Yes.
Makajia kuigwatira indo cianyu.
Yes. Ona atho akiumagara ukaiguerwo atiri. Wa Miriam.
Oi.
Uthie thaa cigana?
Ndera kuma 10:30.
Guato ni wakiura thi kuona ri. Heta ici ha indo-ini cia. Ugio heo ni uguikara wegega. Anengere mwengerie. Ora uguo thau acenjia wardrobe. Kaja wikira Louis Vuitton. Na Chanel. Na Gucci. Ore. Etweka K.C.P.E.
K.C.P.E. Itweka K.C.P.E. late November.
Late November we ukaguthira kana early November. I think it was early.
Yari hau November ini.
Tondu aria maikarangaga ri form 4 nio mautha hakuhe mweri wa igerani. Antwari one kimekaga.
You know, unlike today,
yes.
Kigeranio ithuĩ twekaga K.C.P.E.
Yes.
Na thukuru ĩno ĩngĩ was still in progress.
It was still in progress.
Unlike today,
yes.
Angĩ mambaga kũhinga magatiga kia K.C.P.E. magĩka kĩgeranio marĩ aiki.
Yes. Na K.C.P.E. gĩkwo ri especially rĩu the lower primary ri. Hey, nĩ muona acio angĩ me special. You see, you would not mix. That was actually, it was a very epic moment in life. It was one of the very few moments you would not talk to your brother or your sister. Dima koma yetu mekana. Yes. Wona brother yakumite na kilipo body mana doge mugeithika.
Urona ndivyo ria.
Yes. Ndimere turu waria na muru wanyu kwa neko kuyira reka atia.
Kuyira kigerio.
Yes. Mwahetuka nago. Akajukanini akiuga. Saro kira we. Tukire. Takirunia. Akesara ito. You know, there's a time family bonds were very strong. I'm not saying they are not now, but the time family bonds were very tight because all we had was family, each other. Yes. Nekyo thiko chita iwa mundu akiuga muthoni witu
ngania witu.
I my brother, my sister. Tene waigua siro witu. Even when you are calling them Sara witu. Moja mugi akoliwa tireu inywe kwanyu riu. Your firstborn ni were wa bere gwika K. Ni muona odo ucio. You used to own the moment.
Ni muona riu no kuete kimuri.
Mukamenya riu arorete riu gutwika riu pilot iwe wa ni agatwika ri. We are going to remember K.C.P.E. tondu kwisha.
Na gwira.
Yes. Mwana wogu moko na muria ni wa ngari wa nyuma.
Agika K.C.P.E.
Ukaboka gatoro nduri wone mutheru uguo. Probably in borrowed garments.
Na uka imagine riu arikia K.C.P.E.
Yes.
Riu ni abauma primary.
Athie hai. You would even feel proud on behalf of your brother. Yes.
Ni material ma alliance.
Yes.
Mangujiri, what have you?
Yes. Mukei no kare no omathi agate. Igana ni thia late in the evening. You do always shock otoro okay. Marking.
Kore center.
Yes.
Ya district kana hedio cia leke division.
Yes. Ndio ngoma muragia. Sara. Kigizo gwekwana atia.
Kiuma kirito muno.
Kiuma kirito takoro kana oniki kana tukagia kila tukagia. Ngoino kei. Na no you are exempt from home duties.
Yes.
Come on, so your siblings would labor for your academic
excellence.
Yes. We were na ndũngĩconoka ndũrehere mũno nyũkwa ta mũrai matumbĩ meri tiga gũthiĩ caro irũĩ ndingĩconoka ta kamai
na mwambate na mahuti ma ng'ombe
niĩ nĩ mwe K.C.P.E nĩ kuga atĩ inyuĩ mwenda wa ngari ya guwe those were the days. They were the only times you would actually pose with your teacher's bicycle. Kùhùra Mbica. Na gegere. Those moments are now gone.
Those are the good old days.
Gipsia na invigilation yote ria akoragwo mbere.
Thiko ici kigeranio actually invigilation ire. Yeah, very serious and tight security measures.
Oh, they still have the police they used to have.
Yes.
It was very wow.
Kigeranio kiro ginya kiumagario ni borithi.
It was wowing back in the day. Those were the only few times you will see an actual police officer. Yes.
Na uniform na vathitola.
Yes. Yana mo iwacu ku ne mugitere ne ma. Kwa jamelo wa primary uko na ile borithi guy.
Utuna musiga. Ina gotora.
Yeah. And the ladies would get very inspired monete madam. Kaini mo borithi mutumia. Kaini mutumia. Nezi gani moiki. They would get very inspired. Yes. Good old K.C.P.E.
Thiko ici aya magika kigeranio gĩa K.
Yes.
Riu gĩkagwo riu marĩa iki thukuru nĩ ũndũ wa of course nĩ ũndũ wa safety na kũrigĩrĩria ũici.
It's a new world order. Yes. Those are the only times. Na borithi kana macokire makĩgirio kũheaga andũ mĩcinga mahũrwo mbica nayo.
Kaũndũ kau agagatitũire.
Kwĩ andũ mahũrwo mbica ũkona tarĩ bandits cia Pokot. Na ngwĩciria nĩguo waciria nĩ arĩ mbica ĩyo ya gotora.
Na gotora. Kùhùra Mbica.
Anyitĩte ya. Na Charles Soja kara ibeni.
Na bandit kuma tiati.
Kana andũ akũrĩa kwa etagwo Matakwei. I don't understand. Okay, nĩnjũĩ nĩ marutaga magazine, but even giving you the gun. Na nĩ ciarĩ G3.
Ciarĩ ũrĩ gũticoka naguo.
Ane oka ũgetira naguo guo. Ũkona tarĩ we Osama. Tarĩ Yasser Arafat. Yes. Akane macokire makĩgirio kaũndũ kau. Kana makĩũria nĩkĩ mekaga.
Rĩu Gathaiya rĩu ciana iria iũkĩte thutha wa nĩcio mĩcinga na gũciona thenema-inĩ na horabiũ.
Kana ũndũ wao.
Na toĩ cia mĩcinga macionire me ciana. Ti wa ũndũ nĩ mĩcinga.
Ona meginya mĩcinga ya maĩ. Ũngĩthiĩ kwa mũndũ especially ladies ũkore mũndũrũme ũcio ena mbica na uniform ya primary anyitĩte gotora. It's a very eliminating. Hey. The guys would look very funny with the gun.
Boys here na nĩcio ciendaga mũno kũhutia mũcinga Kùhùra Mbica naguo.
Yes. Wana rĩu nĩwe commando.
Swasinaga.
No authia mũcinga ũcio nĩ warũraga. No igua tongĩhũra mũndũ kara. Bara njũru. Good old days.
I tell you.
Those days are over.
We are in another world.
Oh, yes.
Like
because it's old school Thursday.
Neo.
Fanisha. Yes. That's it.
Fanisha.
Modern Fanisha Pacific. I think you are Fanisha. Then and now. You see, of course, Fanisha has evolved over time.
Mono.
Okay, you take your recliner. It is a lazy boy. boy na nginya ite ciho teke kinagirwo country music Uganda renda kiu
the rocking chair
you know the recliner today is a newer version of the rocking chair so kwe recliner shi koroko ni guthi uguo mbere
gicugaga
yes we recliner ya bereri yari gati keho gakunjagwo gatiranio na ki
ndaruthingo
that was the first recliner
yes
na eto he undu getagwo
guto ndaigua gigitwo gite kionene
nekio kiu and there were not more than 2 in the house they were for your father and his VIP guest yes
wageria muno ugakora mwina yu
inya no kwe kundu kwenda yo set and no gakora riu kiti kiu na kiori sometimes you would inherit the ko kihenetie pio ukamanya
no wa hereditary
it was passed down through
generations
oh yes wala matekinyagiria recliner on and they used to rely on stools they are actually homes na stesi mauta kwa understand you mauta kwa understand docio mena muthoni kwe meci itakoragwo any furniture
they lived the old school way
yes the beds they used to sleep on were part of the house structure moko igo wenjagirwo thi uria wina kiria
wina huanga
to wina kiria te utiraga irigu ugakirio ki dara and sometimes with proper lighting them when wa thundukaga
you see okay handetwo tiri-ini
wakorore wanyu no atuika mubariti
you sleep on a live bed
okay zine komeire mukema a living one yes there are people who buy no furniture
na ne maikaraga na magatura wega
yes ucoka guyukare umetha ciho ciaguragwo cie seti na thituru icio nacio ciaguragwo ni andu ogwa and people would consider that a heavy achievement
seti ya metha na thituru
inya kana ithathatu kwani 4 seater
kana 6 seater
Bigwaki 7 seater ekimo kigo haria kionene igatumwa noyo
no you thought you had made it
there is a time sitting room ando the mic ya sina tab as you know siamanya gona for Micah heke do get off for Mike you know this they are veneers they are manufactured boards with solid mahogany solid wood tenero faori sianyithia na yoguo tatu west sikahubirwo na ke
na for Micah
yes for Micah ori kwa moito matariganagirwo uria ekirwo hindi ria akireire nyeni hau
gatinagia for Micah
kana gutinangiria nyama hau
igia raini
yes na rimo kunde gwathinja gwakora iruga nene hire for Micah metha murane yanite ni igatinangirio nyama kwe family style cia igua na kuma mithenya yo
gukigia rumena rwa ki family
yes
twamuheire metha itu ya for Micah
mugithi gukerera nyama ho
kamutari mitwe
mutu agite nginya for Micah ina ciori just like modern day furniture they used to come in all shapes colors and sizes yes na kuringana uria mutari ri
ke modo
yes waitanga ri iria cietagwo itanga he metha ciaguragwo ciirinde tia gutumirwo ni karuri
ni kwari cia ready made
yes
ciaguragwo matuka-ini mataoni maya manene
yes na cia kona for Micah very plain either white blue
kana ga cream kari ho
keho kana yellow was rare
that was very rare
no le koke gwa common azire the hoi polois re
durakus
pate niona ni ciagagia mwana nginya kametho akinyira kuigira na guoka
akahutia onake etikie ni kindu kiama and you know for Micah ciokari
Wana ya akinyeria jaga keri
ahutia Formica na nä gå tirä kä ndå kä arä kä nyoroku å guo rå gongo ta Formica
rä u nä kä natigo thiminde kwanja mwana ikaragä rio metha kå rata ikarä rio itu. I know they had the crazy pattern. Yes. No me pattern ni metha iguru ri no thitu ri
musik sita wanyu wa metha na Formica.
Yes. Na Formica ru niguo roke guthira ri rwatigirwo ngari ne mambari Adios, sitting in the FH.
Rigereria mabarita ngari cio kui wa muingi
cia gicagi cia Nairobi. Well, there was a particular one. Kana yari ya green.
No he mukirini wari ho. Very busy. Very through the eyes.
Crazy busy. Na kwa mundu acokera thondeka tairo tacio.
Should be canned.
It even looks like an optical illusion. Like you na cia
Formica cio wa green
wakora riri green icio cigathie cikanyita no cigakira mweno and they would make a pattern. Yes. Oh no.
Kujareria nigetha ciuke ku face wa utire ni ha riu ningi gwoka technology ya kufira maguru ma thuturu na macini
no riri no na okuete kindu gia bata muno umete gufirithia
maguru ma thuturu witho twathia kufirithia kairo kwa muthoni wa wanja ku technology ya mbiri
witho noga ona tikarogia witho anga ne mbiri matuko
kairo to ne mari thitima ri
yes
ku technology ya kufira ya kinyire mbere
witho ri wabirithagia maguru wira ucio ngi wothe ukarutwo ni a very local person
iyo nakuhe aguthimagira mbao
yes
agakwira Saturday ri ni ukaringa kairo
yes
uthio berithie maguru
kabia Kaneo. Okay, you have never seen anything that cylindrical.
No, Formica athirira.
And then Formica ajia kuambuka ri. It would be very hard to maintain its hygiene standards.
No, very hard.
Very hard. Na sturu na yajia watu ka Formica ri. It could even injure you. No, karagiro ni andu aria mena familiarity
aria mamiui
ageni moka ni eheragia to no igukere
kana guthukiria nguo
haria metho yari rigito gatuika riu ni araitwo off ri mwaya Formica cigarite ukamihuthira takahio gukera nyeni cia gutuikania
no Formica in good shape.
Yes.
Iyo riu niyo aikarago nginya kwina a local event.
Yes.
Yari VVIP city.
Eri nekaigwa haria mbere.
Ini.
Haria juku wa ini. Yes. Acha no bisaji ngiona Formica igereirwe kiri agitambaya. Amuthuriwe na bakoro kama shirira guka ako. He's the eye of the poem.
Kanare kanjura.
Yes. Na thuturu. I think people are very fit. But no way thuturu duetiranagia.
Yasha.
Yes. Aikaragira oguo. Na ina gitambaya. Never mind gitambaya kiu giatindio kae kawa. Nyaga ya gitambaya niko.
Oigehirwo thuturu na ina gitambaya.
Yeah.
You are highly regarded.
You will probably not just take a farm produce.
Mucio cio no uthinjirwo.
Yes. Kana gukuyukiririo matumbi. Kwaje wigirwo methanja. Yeah, Formica. You must be a serious delegation.
Urero nginya radio.
You're the fine dining.
Mete irothi turu na medhaja.
Iu mwana ndo mefoko gaucho.
I tell you.
Fomaika kwaja oikoti mamwanyu ne fudi. Iwe tukagira huwa kora kifomaika kiwiti yako ne. Ayu athio ise ngiri na.
Neki uge.